This shit is cause of Sway in the morning. Shout out Sway, shout out Big Song, shout out Kendrick, shout out Jay, shout out Aenas, shout out World, shout out everybody. Shout out this, I don't know, my phone's recording that. See? Early in the morning, while they all still yawning. 45 degrees, nigga, this ain't no warning. Always choking after that, nigga, smiling corny. For this army of us, these niggas are gon' keep turning. A lot of confessions, these niggas are gon' keep burning. This lazy bone flow gon' keep on occurring. Soul plain Z's boarding. After all of this shit, niggas gon' keep on falling. Realize that your brain is really important. It's like water. Right now, niggas should be working on returning. Shit's popping on my phone recording, cause I'm up just like Sway in the morning. I'm up and I'm up just like Sway in the morning. This is Catwoman flows. Shit storming, getting showers of blessings, my flow conforming. Rhymes causing confusion cause it's concerning. Since listening to Sway, I've been transforming. This ain't no sucking dick, it's a rewarding. I'm saying thank you for making my morning. Every day bring it back just like Sway in the morning. I bring it back just like a chorus. You've been longing, you can take the song, it's your belonging. With the Lions King, Sway's always roaring. I'm a free man, nigga, this shit's on Morgan. Flowing like blood in the vein of an organ. Do right and kill everything like Aubrey. If you're listening to Sway, you will keep on learning. Stay sky fly just like Michael Jordan. Overflowing rhymes got me feeling like an electrician. I know a lot of strange words. I'm like a politician giving admission. I'm taking it off like circumcision. I'm a Christian, I like chicken, but I don't like washing dishes. You can come to me when you struggle. I'm the rapping clinician. All these other niggas attrition and ugly ass bitch niggas can go see a beautician. Still waiting on commission versus an emission. This is conclusive admonition. Contracts and rescission, nigga, this is demolition. Playing with these niggas, making us a game show. They falling like a free throw in the main event in Glasgow. I make ladies blush when I say hello. Right leg practice jujitsu and the left judo versus building blocks like a Lego. Making beats prego. Been longer in this game than Sipo Cassius go-go. Powerballing like the Lotto. Rushing like I am from Moscow. I'm trying to go harder than a rhino. I'm throwing firestones and sealing the show like I'm Kygo. In your face, this ain't no sideshow. Explosive shit trying to outgrow the old flow. Horsepower on Marco Polo. More important than a dildo. A ticking bomb, motherfucker. I'm the sun, every day I blow dough. Motherfucker. Already too many, this money's got me looking steady. These girls grinding, they fine, you can look at they belly. Been ready, been daily, this verse is getting really. Be soft as a titty, they coughing, I'm popping pills in they midi. They getting sweetie and messy, I'm dribbling all these fucking trending niggas. It's like Lionel Messi, these niggas' faces looking very scary. But they woman look fucking very sexy. Gotta stay friendly, I gotta be the one they envy. Got that flow that when I spit, I try to break a fucking levy. Got more than 20, ask my lady, or you can go Asini, or GT, or Roxanne that move lost here to Delhi. Or a homie Tesla, or her homie Kelly. Living every day, don't like sleeping. Hard in this game, niggas always deep and straight in their face, nigga never creeping. Hard in my brain, shit, I'll be keeping. Nigga, I'm shit, I'll stay on the ass, keep getting paid, always in cash. No ways. We ain't never paid, we ain't never in cash. All you know, nigga, better have a rest. That sleeping beauty shit of last. Living that life, real as fuck on top of the water. Calling nigga duck, should've sitting here, chilling with the chuck, always living green, that shit like a buck. Nah, I'm lying. No one sitting here, no one with luck, always wanna get that shit like a buck. No one give me luck, no one gave me luck. Fuck everyone, fuck, 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 fuck. If you fuck up, you should flow over, try over like the witness of a Jehovah. This verse gon' calculate and activate your data rate, principle relate, moving the due date, going in on a verse like an inmate. You should concentrate in this game of chess. Give me what I want, take control of the situation and dominate. Never hate, give me what I want, or I will escape. Stay awake, give me what I want, detonate, dinner in a plate. Let's get baked, never hesitate. Like niggas putting bars that's feeling heavyweight. Let's break a cake, let's burn the fake. Let's drop and spin and pop and shake and rob the state and communicate. Stay straight, pick up your rate, become a great Tony Flow. Let me skate. This chessboard got me putting niggas in checkmate. Medicate with the magistrate, motivate the middleweight. Rhymes are now in a riddle, making double O's like an 8 Henry Spade. Niggas know the smell, space for the L. What am I still doing here, nigga? Fuck hell, had green like cell. Got bars for sale, these verses on sale. These bars like sales, these bars making sales. These bars only males, these bars tell you tales. Be the reason for your destiny and try again when it fails. In the darkness we dwell, spitting decades of convictions in this prison hell. Find me on the cell and my hope is doing well. My lady got an attitude like I should call her Michelle. The darkness is coming in my father's name I will dwell. Don't wanna betray you in your name I already fell. This is a mixture of Ryan Lopez and Dave Chappelle. Knocked my head against the wall, my intelligence swell. I know I'm gonna excel, deceived through a brain cell. No crack, no egg cell. Got these verses sounding sweet like they are caramel. In the morning, in the morning, just like sway in the morning. This shit like sway in the morning. This shit's cause of sway in the morning. This is cause of sway in the morning. It's cause of sway in the morning. Spitting fire flames on this track, got me feeling just like KO. King cause I'm a Leo, Flux color be Neo. Feeling like the CEO, the game's Jose Mourinho. This audio is in line with the skits of Michelangelo. Doing it just like a pro, money's not real, I don't want no dough. Fuck a bank account, I'm gonna help my faith grow. My belief gon' blow, my hopes gon' explode. Do you know we're making God angry with the shit that we know? Thinking we steal the show, catching what stand throw. I ain't catching no more, the truth made me whoa. It made me say, oh, wow, whoa. It made me tell my bro, I refuse to let the world take control. I refuse to believe what the fuckers think they know. Although I got a lot of ammo, the dog with a goofy flow, no goofy show. These niggas always late, always I can smell the hate. The realest dropping bars, no debate. No standing still, we ain't got no time to wait. Going harder than the people that's trying to lose weight. All bars been ate, no time to generate, no time to ventilate. In the chill zone, I ain't trying to accelerate. Buzzing, bossing everyone that think they great. No pulling a gun, I'm bulleting the fun. Fuck a conversation, this is a never fake relation. Trying to go crazy and blow up a fuel station, letting all sleep in a basement. This game is my life, I came through and said I do. This game is my wife, after death I will know. In this game I was a knife, got Jesus on my side, so everybody got a slice. High in the sky, loving that bird life. Big fly and vanish into the nightlife. All these new niggas will feel the wrath of my fist knife. Grinding hard like a nigga from the south life. This makes me feel like pushing niggas to the afterlife in this wildlife. Jesus using a butcher knife. And this shit is cause of sway in the morning. 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 Sway in the morning.